Hey there, fellow badminton enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. And today, we are going to talk about what you need to pack when you are heading to the badminton court. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, having the right gear with you is crucial. Let's get started. The most obvious item to pack is your badminton racket. But that's not all, you should also have some essential racket accessories like an extra racket, spare shuttlecocks and spare grips. Accidents can happen, and having spares of these can be a lifesaver. Of course, you can't play badminton without shuttlecocks. Pack a few extras in case some get damaged or lost during the game. Feather or nylon shuttlecocks are your choice, depending on your preference and level of play. Next, scissors. In the case of racket string breakage, you will be able to cut off the strings to prevent damage to the racket frame due to string tensions. It can also be used for cutting the handle grips if reapplying grips are required. For anyone that sweat easily, a wristband is a lifesaver as it will prevent the excess sweat from your arms and wrist to contact with your racket handle and grip. Next up, we have proper court shoes. They provide the right support, stability, and grip needed for the court. A well-fitted court shoe will not only provide the said support and grip, but also help reduce the chances of injuries. Dress comfortably and appropriately for the game. Sportswear, including moisture-wicking clothing, is a great choice. And don't forget a change of clothes, especially if you plan to head somewhere else after your game. A small towel can come in handy for wiping off sweat and keeping cool. Consider packing some basic toiletries like a mini shampoo, body wash, and deodorant, especially if you are heading somewhere after your games and the facilities do not provide any of such. Next, grip powder, another item for anyone whom sweat easily, which is to be used with towel grips. Stay hydrated. Bring a reusable water bottle to the court. It's essential for maintaining your energy levels throughout your games. You can bring your own isotonic drinks to help hydrate yourself further as well. A good sports bag is essential to carry all your gear. Look for one with compartments or pockets to keep things organized. And there you have it, a checklist of what to pack for badminton. Having these essentials with you ensures that you're prepared for a great day on the court. If you are interested in the items featured in this video, we have them listed in the description down below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow players, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your badminton experience. See you in the next video.